Hey, it's Warpick back again, then another video, first video review for my channel, and it is of, it's a gear one, not a gun one, so I will get a gun one soon, including my D-Boys, PDW, my UNX, UMPE-45, a full license trades, and a quick one of my dual power AK-74. Put a screenshot. I bought this in Amazon, but I didn't get Prime when I got it. M88 helmet. Yeah, there's what the line looks like. Just that. Tightens up. Same way that strap there. Then there's adjustable. There's adjustable. Fits well. Does the job. Good video. Good helmet for the money. Paid $10.30 for it. Got free shipping at the time. Solid ABS. And there's not much more I can say about it. Couple of scuff marks where it's been scuffed. Riveted studs for the lining and strap. Oh yeah, that actually sits on your chin. Black and olive setup. It's decent enough. Does the job. Did the job. Thanks for watching.